Hello, Pulse TV family. I'm excited to welcome you back to another exciting episode of where we explore the best ways and best side hustles to boost your income and achieve financial freedom. I'm Tina, and today we'll be diving into an amazing opportunity that can help you earn up to $6,000 a month as an independent luggage driver.
Really?
That's right. You can make serious money.
Yeah!
Just by driving luggage around. Isn't that interesting?
Oh, that's interesting.
Okay, let's dive into it.
Get ready.
First and foremost, what exactly is an independent luggage driver? Simply put, this is a service where you transport luggage for travelers to or from airports, hotels, or other destinations. With the increasing popularity of travel and the need for convenient, hassle-free transportation, this side hustle is booming, guys.
Business is booming.
And the best part, you do not need a special license or extensive training experience in order to get started. Step 1, getting started. To begin, you will need a reliable vehicle with ample space for luggage. Think about SUVs, minivans, or even large sedans, trucks. If you don't already own one, consider renting or leasing a vehicle initially, in order to test the waters. Make sure your vehicle is clean, well maintained, and ready to handle the wears and tears of frequent trips. Remember, your car is your business, and business is serious business. So keeping it in top shape, it's crucial. Step number 2 will be registering with the platforms. Several platforms connect drivers with travelers needing luggage transportation. Popular ones include Lugg, GoShare, and even independent gigs through apps like TaskRabbit. So you want to go to these platforms, sign up, complete your profile, and get verified. It's as simple as that. Once you get verified, you're on to business. And this form of verification sometimes includes some sort of, background checks and vehicle inspections.
Okay.
Lovelies, take the time to craft a professional and appealing profile when you register. Make your profile stand out in an exceptional way. Highlight your reliabilities. Highlight your punctualities, your availabilities, and any other customer service experience you may have. Remember, good reviews and strong personalities online can set you apart from the rest in the competition. Now, step number 3, setting your rates. Research the average rates in your area to ensure you are very competitive.
Okay.
Rates typically vary based on the distance, the location, time of the day, and size of the luggage. Start with the base rate and adjust based on demand and feedback. For example, you might charge a base rate of, say, $25 per trip within 10 miles. Plus $2 per additional mile. Offering package deals for round trips or multiple pieces of luggage can also attract more customers. Step number 4, lovelies. Marketing your service. Utilize social medias, local advertising, and online platforms to promote your services. Also, creating a simple website with your contact information, rates, and customer testimonies can also boost your credibility. Remember to share photos and videos of your clean special vehicles and happy customers. Encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews and refer your service to others. Word of mouth, it's incredibly powerful in this business. Step 5, it's bringing us to how you can manage your schedule. Use scheduling tools and apps to keep track of bookings and ensure you are available when needed. Remember, consistency and reliability are key to building a loyal customer base. Do not joke with these skills.
Don't joke, I'm serious.
Apps like Google Calendar, Calendly, or even specialized transportation management tools can help you stay very well organized. And this can also help you avoid double booking. You don't want to double book. That's not professional in any ways. And do not forget to always confirm your appointments with your clients to ensure that extra, customer skills and ensure smooth transactions. Customers want to feel special. Give them the treat.
How sweet is that?
Step 6, providing excellent service. Go the extra mile. I cannot emphasize this enough. Go extra mile to ensure your customers are happy. Be punctual when you have a booking with them. Handle their luggage with care. I personally, I don't like people throwing my luggage around. You want to pay that special attention when you're handling their luggage with care and maintain clear communication throughout the process. Remember, happy customers lead to repeat business and positive reviews. It's all about rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat.
Rinse and repeat. Rinse and repeat.
Little touches here and there, offering bottled water or helping with heavy bags can make a big difference. Rinse, repeat, rinse, repeat. And your customers, when they're happy, they keep requesting for you, they keep booking more. And there you have it, lovelies. With the right vehicle, a solid plan, and excellent customer service, you can turn this side hustle into a $6,000 a month income stream. Remember, we're bringing you the information. You still have to do your due diligence. A little bit of research will help you decide if this is for you or not. Start small, stay dedicated, and watch your business grow. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to WellPulse TV and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on any of the videos when we drop them. I hope this works for you. Let me know if you try it in the comment section, how this is coming for you. Until I see you in my next video, stay safe and happy earning. God bless you.